Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri ka Tnad ka Koit ka Khiah jong ka sarkar jella u James PK sangma. Ula ong ba unpet benya shwa habayadei ba ka jing yo nong bat ka jing do nong halor ka jing dawa ka balawanra dau MLA ka seng Bharatiya Janata Party uba elheng ba ki doktor ki batrei ha ka jella ki dei ban ailat ban thiet jaka hapo ka jella nakaliang usangma ula ong ba uba heng ula bat ku Myntri jong ka Tnad ka Koit ka Khiah yala di labun bun Snem balada usngau ba kadei ka kam ka badon kam ula dei ban shem Khiah hagi por ki ba udang dei Myntri ka Tnad ka Koit ka Khiah ula ban rap ba kinu ki jing ai jing mun naki para MLA ne naki nongyalam ki pdiang ya ki jing ai jing mun ula ong ru bakin pet benya ya ka ne ka kam namar ki don ki jing do nong bat ki jing yo nong batkin pet benya batkin sa shem ya ki lat ki lenti ki badei Hagini ki khindiat por baladeb MLA ka seng BJP uba elheng ula ong balada ka sarkar jella ka aija ka ki officer ki batrai ha ka jella ha ki Snem ni Snem persha e kalan transfer ang Balei aija ka ki doktor ki baki pat ba ki dan kam ha ka jing im jongki.
That's a suggestion given by him. I will just say this that we'll have to examine the merits or the demerits of this. But he has been health minister for a very long period of time, and if he were so concerned about this, he should have taken this up earlier when he was health minister. But nevertheless, I just want to say that any kind of suggestions that come from our honorable MLAs or leaders, we are very open to them, and we will get this examined. And as I said, everything has its merits and demerits, so we'll have to explore which ones outweigh the other, and accordingly we'll take a call.